All right, we're live. Hustle it up, red team, hustle up. You can start once you touch the spawn, all right? Hey, get your schmog on. I got you. If you want to go in the north fork, get your schmog on. Move it as quick as we can. Did you leave it out?
Yeah, I left my lower mouth protection.
Yeah, you got to go get it.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'll get you. Just walk behind me. Yeah. Hang on, I was checking my pocket to see if I had my little Zan. Yeah, I'd have gave it to you. As soon as you do, just go straight to your spawn in. All right, we got that taken care of. We're running back CTF game. Red team started at the north part of the field. Blue team started south part of the field. Each team has a flagpole in the middle. Raise the flag, tie it off, and guard it until time expires. Oh, thank you. I'm getting popped today. Players hit, let him up. Do you know who has the flag on your team?
Yeah. Where he's at?
Hey, women play airsoft too. Roll Tide. Who has the flag?
It's up there.
Okay, I'm going to try to follow the flag. Oh, Cody's got it, okay.
This was a bad idea.
If y'all can take that, then y'all almost guarantee the cap if y'all can take that blue. That's if. Boy, I hope a grenade don't come in that window.
If it does,
I almost ate that one. Some plastic for breakfast. Yeah. A little polybutylene. No blood. It's all good. Hey, who has the center? Who has the field back there? Yeah, cover them. As you can see, the red flag is right by them. Let him up, players hit, let him up. You out? No. All right, go to your spawn when you come back in. Volume of fire, boys. Volume of fire. That's what it's going to take. All right, the game is capture the flag. Red team, if you can see, their flag is laying right over there by the flagpole. They made it all the way to the flagpole before they got eliminated. They're trying to raise that flag and guard it until time runs out. The blue team is on the opposite side doing the same. Oh yeah, I'm bleeding good.
I need a gun rental, please.
Copy that. Players hit, let him up. I got hit in the tongue. The tongue is blue. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. Blue done deployed the smoke. It's on now. Hit, let him up. Good shot, buddy. This is the man just took him out. Let me get a little peek. Oh yeah, there you go. Nice shot. Covering the objective from the peel box. They left you all alone, huh? There you go. They really need to be pushing up that next bunker right there instead of doing that way. See? Tell them. Say, look, I'm the general here. Hey, we all take orders from some female in our life, right? Every man does. I got mom, huh? We're used to it. Blue made a heck of an attempt to get up there. Hood, nose. Nose. Pull that, the other guy. What's his name? Nose, pull it up. Pull it up.
Nose or nose hole?
Nose, all the way over the tip of your nose. You don't want one going up your nose hole. Full eye, nose, mouth. But that's good. All good. Look, I just ate a BB. One hit me in the tongue. Yeah, it's bleeding too. At least I got my teeth. Oh, Blue's making a push up on the plank over there at the wood line. You can see, if you could see him right through there. So red better get on their toes. That red flag's still sitting at the bottom of it. It's a live stream, so say, hey.
They're not allowed to get in the trenches, are they?
The trench is open. You can't get on the other side of the trench. So, yes, they will. And if they flank you from that side, you'll have a tough one. If y'all can take that top box right there with the 4 holes, that'll give y'all where y'all can cover that flag. And actually, y'all gonna need to get some guys together and make them work. Let's see blue thing over there. Oh, that's pretty good one. See blue trying to push up on the flank. And red is trying to prevent them from outflanking them.
He's still laying down.
Yeah, Larry, let him out. And how you like it out here first time playing?
It's exhausting, but it's fun.
Sweet, sweet. They trying to flank y'all hard, ain't they? Taking y'all's attention away from the objective. They're moving, they're moving. Now you're in a little better, there you go. That's a risky run unless you get cover fire. Oh, they're pushing up hard. There you go. He knows that you know he's there now. Hey, who's got the center field?
What?
Anybody got the center field over there?
I don't think so at this moment.
All right, I'll go over there. Well, I'm trying to film red. I filmed blue last time, so I'll keep these guys. You keep them, and let Sebastian watch the objective. They finally come out of there. As long as we got somebody over, because we need to keep them honest over there. So stay over their shoulders. You know what I'm saying? Make sure they know your presence is there. Make them feel your presence.
My last man That one don't count against.
Hey, that one don't count. Here you
I
go.
don't count. It's not against the whole, but that one does not count as a life.
He shot you. The ref did.
Thank you.
That's our little anti-cheat mechanism.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
Again, blue. Once again, blue's making a big push up the flank. They're really using red's resources to keep them off of their flank so that red doesn't have the numbers to attack the bridge. They may be trying to distract them so that they can move somebody in position to raise the flag. I don't really quite know what their strategy is right now, but at the moment they're using up red's team's resources in defending the flank versus being able to cap the flag. 4 minutes, red. Both flags are at the bottom of the pole. Let's go. Y'all's flank is getting wore out over there. Hit. Let him up. You guys are getting flanked. Watch your backs. Watch your six. Man, he can almost reach you from where he's at. Alright. Hey, there's a group right behind the bridge of blue. If you move over there and keep an eye on them.
Over there?
I was talking to the ref, trying to keep him in good position to call hits. We had a review. Somebody said the people weren't calling enough hits, so we're going to call them for them. You know? And that's why he broke out the little BB guns so he can shoot people and see if they cheating. Anti-cheat mechanism.
That's right.
He got a little spring pistol. That's what he popped him with, just to see if he caught.
I barely built it, but I was like.
Yeah, if you that's what it's meant to do. Yes, I like that. That's a good idea.
Yeah,
You know, just walk by, pop them, and see if they call it. If they don't, then you know what's up. I know, man. This humidity.
And this is supposed to be anti-fog.
Nothing's anti-fog in Alabama, brother.
I hear that. Come on.
Heck, you use a half a daggum can of defogger when it gets cold out, real cold. Cool. Y'all need to make a push. Y'all got about 3 minutes. Somebody's got to be willing to die. Hey, he's hit. Let him up. He's got his arms up. Stop shooting.